Hello guys, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. Begin by opening your Adobe Premiere Pro project and select the clip or item to which you want to apply an effect. Ensure it's placed on the timeline. Now go to the Effects panel. So from here, navigate to the effect you want to apply. Drag the chosen effect onto the selected clip on the timeline. Okay, there you go. You have successfully added effects on the video clip. Hope this video helped you out. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.